Good morning everyone and welcome dear all in the class of mathematics, and here today we are going to study the chapter ratio and proportions, and we will see some word problems here. Okay, and it is first video for this week. Okay students, so now let's start. You can see the first question is given here that divide rupees 880 between Rajan and Kamal in the ratio 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. Okay, so this is the ratio. So how we can start in this question, that is total amount equals to rupees 880. Total amount is rupees 880. Then Rajan's and Kamal, ratio in Rajan and Kamal is what? This only, this is the ratio we have taken, 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. We will simplify this ratio because it is given in fractions. So we will simplify that. It will come, we know that when we multiply the first term and the second term by the same number, then there is no change in the ratio. We are only getting its simplified form. Okay, that I have explained in the rules of ratio only. So now this, you will multiply the first term 1 by 5 also with 30 and the second term also with 30. Then you will get that 6 is to 5. You are getting that 6 is to 5. So this is the ratio between, because 5 into 6 time you will cut that, 5 into 6 time 30, and here 6 into 5 time 30. Okay, so 6 is to 5 is the ratio between the Rajan and Kamal to divide this amount 880. Then let the Rajan's part is 6x is equals to rupees 6x and the Kamal's part equals to rupees 5x. Then we have the sum is total 880 because we are dividing rupees 880 between these two persons. So 6x plus 5x is equals to 880. That means simplify this equation, that 11x equals to 880. Then we will get what? X equals to 880 by 11. That means it is 80 only because 11 is multiplying here. So on the other side it will divide. So 880 by 11 means 80 here. Okay, then Rajan's part is 6x. That means 6 into 80 is 480 rupees. And the Kamal's part is 5x. Means 5 into 80 equals to rupees 400. Rupees 400. That understood all? Now next question you can see, what number must be added to each term of the ratio 9 is to 16 to make the ratio 2 is to 3. That means what number you will add to the each term, that means first term also and second term also, to make the ratio 2 is to 3. Then we will say that let x be the required number that must be added to both the terms of the given ratio 9 is to 16 so that it will convert into 2 is to 3. Then we can write that 9 plus x is to 16 plus x. 9 plus x is to 16 plus x equals to 2 is to 3 as according to the question. So we can write that 9 plus x by 16 plus x equals to 2 by 3. Now we will have here cross multiplication, that 3 into 9 plus x equals to 2 into 16 plus x. So simplify this equation now. This 3 will multiply to both the terms 9 and x. Similarly 2 will multiply to 16 also and x also. So the result is 27 plus 3x equals to 32 plus 2x. Now simplify this equation. So 3x minus 2x, this 2x we will take on the left side and 27 on the right side. So 3x minus 2x, their side is changing, sign is changing. On the left side 27 is plus 27, then right side it is minus 27. So 3x minus 2x is equals to, that means x equals to 5 only. So this is the required number. You can say 5 is the number that must be added to both the terms of the number of the given ratio 9 is to 16 so that it will convert into 2 is to 3. So the required number is 5 here. We can check only 9 plus 5 here is 14 and 16 plus 5 here is required number is 5 here. Okay, so you can check that 9 plus 5 14 and 16 plus 5 is 21. Okay, now ratio you can find 14 and 21 is 2 is to 3 only. If you will find the ratio 14 by 21, it will come 2 is to 3 only. So this way we can check the equation also. Okay students, next, the ages of A and B are in the ratio 8 is to 3. 6 year hence means after 6 year their ages will be in the ratio 9 is to 4. Then find their present ages. Find their present ages. So we can say in this question that ratio, this is given in question that ratio of present ages of A and B are the two persons here. So their age ratio is 8 is to 3. Then we can say that let A's age is 8x years and B age is 3x years. B's age is 3x years. Means age of A is 8x years and age of B is 3x years. Then 6 year hence, what is the situation? After 6 year, both ages of both the persons will increase by 6 years. So that only I am going to do that. A age will be 8x plus 6 and B age will be 3x plus 6. That means age of both the persons is increasing by 6 years because we are talking about 6 year hence. That means after 6 year. So it is 8x plus 6 and 3x plus 6. Then therefore we can say that 8x plus 6 by 3x plus 6 equals to 9 by 4. Because after 6 years, the ratio is 9 is to 4. 9 is to 4 means 9 by 4 year. Okay. After 6 years, the ratio is 9 is to 4. So now we will solve this equation. So cross multiply I am doing here. So 4 into 8x plus 6 equals to 3x plus 6 into 9. So this is what 8x plus 6 into 4 and 3x plus 6 into 9 means what? 32x plus 24. 32x plus 4 will multiply to 8x also and 6 also. So 32x plus 24 and here 9 into 3 27x plus 54. 9 into 6 is 54. Then this 27 you take on this side, okay, on left side, and this 24 on the right side. So what you will do that 32x minus 27x equals to 54 minus 24. 24 is going to RHS side with its sign change, that is minus 24. So 5x equals to 30, that means x equals to 30 by 5, you will get 6 here. Okay, so A's present age is 48 years. 8 into 6, 8x means 8 into 6 is, because x value is 6. Okay, so 8 into 6 48 years, and B's present age is 3 into x means 3 into 6 is 18 years. So this way you can solve the word problems here, students. Now you can solve exercise 8b, question number 8 to 15. Okay, easily from RS Agrawal book. So now thank you all of you. This will watch this video nicely and understand these questions of ratio and proportion. So thank you all of you and have a nice day. Thank you.